So another really good learning platform that we are using in Dosbarth Enfys and indeed in Dosbarth Pilipala is SeeSaw. So if you haven't yet logged on, I'm just going to go through how to do it. So in Google, put in SeeSaw, and this is the site you want. And then it's going to ask you to log in, and you're going to click I'm a student. I'm going to get rid of this because obviously I'm not signing in for me. You are going to use the text code. So I put the text code in. As this video is going live on YouTube, I didn't want everyone to have the code to it. So what I'll do, I'll reshare it again in Twitter. It is on our school app as well. And you can see then that I add activities for you to choose from. So this week's activity is healthy living. So if you click on it, then it will show you the activities I've got set for you. And you can choose at least 3 of these to do. And then there's links then for you to join in with. It shows you how to get a GIF 5 on Hub because we're making a pictogram. This one then is of me wearing myself out doing action songs. And this one is a great one for yoga for children, which is Cosmic Zen then. Then, if you've got something to show or to share, if you click on Add Response, you can then upload anything that the child has done. So you can upload a photo, you can take it at the time. This platform is accessible on all tablets, on mobiles, on PCs, on laptops. So this is a great one to use. So anything then, you can upload all your children's work on there. It could be a video of them speaking or singing. It could be a photo of something they've done. It could be a screenshot of their work on Hub. And then I'll get to see it and I'll write a little response back and then I can see everything that the children are doing. If there's any questions at all on SeeSaw, give me a shout and I'll help you through it.